So, hello everyone, how are you? I'm hoping you guys are doing great, and this time we are going to discuss about introduction to NLTK, not Kaggle. So, this is the notebook that I have created for you, and in this notebook, we are going to discuss about what is NLTK. It stands for Natural Language Toolkit. Natural Language Toolkit means it is specifically a library used for natural language. Similarly, as we are having a library named as OpenCV for computer vision, TensorFlow for deep learning, sklearn for machine learning, Pandas NumPy for data processing and arrays. Similarly, we are having NLTK for natural language processing tasks. We are going to perform NLP tasks specifically working on text. Okay. So to do that, to work on natural language processing or NLTK library or any library, first of all, we need to install it. So to do that, I am writing !pip install NLTK. That's how easy it is. Execute it, make sure to have an active internet connection, otherwise it won't work, as obvious. And once it is done, you can write import NLTK. That's it. That's how easy it is to import NLTK. Once that is imported, we can use the function used in NLTK. So what I'm doing, I'm creating a text. And in the text I'm writing, let's suppose different kind of stuff that I'm having. Let's suppose I'm writing, hello geeks. That's the line end. Okay. And then I'm writing another line, which is hello geeks. We are hoping you guys are doing great. Simple. So now because we are starting with a single quote, ending with a single quote, so I'm writing double quote here so that this single quote won't count. And now from executing it and printing text, this is the text that I'm having. Here I can also write a full stop where I'm having two lines written in this string. Now what I'm going to do, I'll take this string, and if I need to find out how many sentences are written and how many words are written, so to do that, what I need to do, basically I need to find the split. Okay, to find how many sentences are written. Now I know sentence is completed once there is a full stop. So what I'll do, I'll write dot split. That's something we have discussed earlier as well. We'll split it, the string, with a comma. Now if I'm executing it, here you can see, hello geeks, we are hoping you guys are doing great. That's it, right? And here we are having, okay, it should be with a full stop, not a comma. Here you can see, this is the first sentence, this is the second sentence, and at the end as well I'm having a none, because at the end I'm having a full stop written. Simple. Now what I'll do, I'll take the same text. This time if I'm splitting it with a space, so here you can see what I'm having. I'm having hello geeks, we are hoping you guys are doing great. Each word is splitted one by one. Now this is how we are doing it using NLT, using your own logics. In these kind of logic, you need to go for a lot of test cases. What if the line is split with a comma? What if we are having, like here in this case only, we are having a full stop at the end. It is telling you, if I'm checking the length of it, so it will tell you that we are having 3 sentences, but obviously we are not having 3 sentences. If I'm calculating the number of words, so here you can see 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Words is correct, but sentences are not correct. So to overcome this problem, we are having NLTK library. So let's discuss how NLTK works. So from NLTK, I'm calling a couple of functions. Okay, from NLTK dot tokenize, we are going to find the tokenizer. So basically we are having 2 kinds of tokenizer. We are having word tokenizer and we are having sentence tokenizer. Okay, so let me write tokenize import word underscore tokenize. So if I'm executing it, okay, it should be NLTK, not NTLK, NLTK word tokenize, and also I'm importing sentence tokenizer. So these are the 2 things I have imported. Now if I'm writing NLT word tokenizer, inside the word tokenizer, if I am passing my text and executing it, here you can see all the words are written. Similarly, if I'm doing for sentence tokenizer and passing my text here, I am having sentences written. So this is the first sentence, hello geeks. Second sentence is we are planning, we are hoping that you guys are doing great. And apart from that, if I'm looking closely with the word, so here you can see hello is a word, geeks is a word, full stop is treated differently, is a different word. It is not I would say a part of geeks. Similarly, we and are two different words. It is treating as two different words. Again, we need to process it further, and hoping you guys are doing great, and at the end we are also having full stop. So what we can do, we can even pre-process it further. For example, if I want to pre-process it and check, like I'm copying it, I'm saving it first of all, and if let's suppose I'm taking I'm going for word tokenizer, it is printing all the words, and here if I'm checking if the word tokenizer that we are having, I'm taking for not if, I'm going for words or for word in word tokenizer. So what will do, it will, if I'm printing the word, so here it will not print, it should be print. So if I'm printing the word, here you can see hello geeks, full stop, we are hoping you guys are doing great. Okay, and here you can see okay, let's change the name, let's write geeks for geeks is hoping. Okay, just don't complicate things. So now if I'm executing it, here you can see sentence tokenizer is here for words in words token in words and tokenize, and here if I'm executing it, hello geeks, full stop, geeks for geeks is hoping you guys are doing great. So these things are in front of you, and now I want to remove these things, full stop and dot. So how I can remove it? Obviously here I will check if the word is most probably what we will do, we will check if there is a full stop or not. If word is not equals to a full stop, if the word is not equal to full stop, only then I'll print the word, otherwise I'll not print the word. Simple. So now if I'm executing it, here you can see we are having hello geeks for geeks, hello geeks, geeks for is hoping you guys are doing great. These are the unique words I'm having because full stop is not a part of the word. But if I am going through our own logic that we have written, in that case we are having a problem, and the problem is we are having a word named as geeks dot. It is not at all a word. Similarly, great dot is also not a word. Okay, so these are the fundamentals of NLTK that we have discussed, how to install NLTK, how to set up NLTK. And sometimes you might be asked, like when you are executing this word, let's suppose, you might get an error. Okay, and the error might look like you need to perform NLTK.download. So in that case, what you need to do, it might ask you just download NLTK.punk, which is a module where all the means, it is same like whenever you are playing a game, for example PUBG or any other game. So in some of the games, the games are so heavy, they are having different maps, different tracks. If we are talking about Asphalt 8, so we are having different maps or tracks, and by default if you are downloading the game, you might not need to your system might not need to install all the maps or tracks. What it will do, it will install 1 or 2 maps or tracks for you, and after that it will give a manual option to download other things because it requires a lot of space. So whatever functions or whatever maps or whatever tracks you want to download, you can download it afterwards and perform operations on it or play the game to be more specific. And here we are having the same thing. NLTK is a huge library. We are having different modules, different kind of things packed in different kind of modules. So you can download each and every module, whatever function you want to use, there are particular I would say module for that. So, and to work on NLTK, word tokenizer, sentence tokenizer, stop word, we are having this which is called as NLTK.download, and here you need to write pumpkin. If I are executing it, sorry, NLTK, not NLKT, and here you can see the package is downloaded. Clear? So this is about the introduction of NLTK. So to summarize, first of all, we have imported NLTK, installed NLTK, then we have imported NLTK with Punket, where because in Punket we are having important function that we are going to use in NLTK. Specifically, word tokenizer and sentence tokenizer are in this Punket module in NLTK. Okay. And then we are using word tokenizer and sentence tokenizer. And in both the cases, word tokenizer is used to tokenize the words, sentence tokenizer used to tokenize the sentences. And after that, we have discussed our own logic, how we can remove the full stops or even commas or whatever of your choice. But we are going to automate this process as well, but in the next session. So that's it. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.